Medical bills weighing you down? Is the credit score taking a beating? It's time to fight back and tame that medical debt monster. In this video, we'll reveal the ultimate battle plan to protect your credit and regain your financial freedom. Welcome back, my fellow financial gurus, and a warm greeting to those joining us for the first time on the Money Whisperer channel. Brace yourselves, for today, we delve into a formidable foe that can wreak havoc on your financial fortress, the insidious world of medical debt. In an era where healthcare costs soar like never before, a single medical emergency can shatter your financial stability, leaving you drowning in a sea of debt. But fear not, my friends, for we shall unveil the secrets to taming this beast, fortifying your credit, and safeguarding your hard-earned wealth. Prepare to embark on a journey through the intricate labyrinth of medical bills, insurance claims, and debt negotiation strategies. Unlock the power to reclaim control over your financial destiny and emerge victorious in the face of adversity. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, become a medical bill detective. Don't just accept that eye-watering bill at face value. Study it like Sherlock Holmes, line by line, seeking errors or overcharges. You'd be surprised at how often hospitals make mistaken calculations. Look for duplicate charges, incorrect billing codes, or services you never received. Catching these errors could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Tip number 2, negotiation ninjas, activate. Don't be afraid to bargain with the billers. With the right techniques, like asking for a cash discount or setting up a payment plan, you can slice those medical bills down to size. A little diplomacy goes a long way. Hospitals are often willing to negotiate, especially if you offer to pay a lump sum upfront or set up automated payments. Explain your financial situation respectfully, and you may be surprised at their flexibility. Let's not forget, you must not allow medical debt to cripple your finances any longer. Smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our unstoppable tribe of money masters on the Money Whisperer channel. Be first in line to receive the battle strategies we're unleashing in the must-see video, Protect Your Credit, Tame Medical Debt. Get equipped with a full arsenal of tactics to conquer medical bills, salvage your credit, and secure your money fortress once and for all. But that's just the start. Stay subscribed for more financial wisdom bombs that will revolutionize how you manage your money. Together, we'll build an unshakable money mindset as you join the movement today. Let's continue now. Tip number 3, know your rights. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act protects you from harassment by debt collectors. Learn your rights and don't hesitate to report shady behavior. You're the boss of your finances. Debt collectors can't call before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m., threaten violence, use profane language, or discuss your debt with others without permission. If they overstep, file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Know your rights and stand your ground. Tip number 4, open a negotiation tab. If the medical provider refuses to budge, try negotiating with the debt once it's sold to a third-party collection agency. They're often willing to settle for a portion of the original bill to get it off their books. Collection agencies buy debt for pennies on the dollar, so even a 50% settlement can be a win for them. Send a debt validation letter first, then start negotiating a payoff amount you can afford. Tip number 5, when all else fails bankruptcy? For truly insurmountable medical debt, bankruptcy may be an option to discharge and reset it. It's not ideal, but sometimes preserving your future is worth taking a short-term hit. Bankruptcy can wipe out eligible medical debts, giving you a fresh start, though it will impact your credit score for several years. Consider it a last resort, but one that could ultimately save you from being crushed under the weight of unmanageable debt. And there you have it, Money Mavens, our top tips for taking down that medical debt monster. Remember, you're not alone in this battle, and every financial struggle is an opportunity to grow smarter and stronger. Don't forget to subscribe for more money whispering wisdom that'll keep your finances fierce. We'll be coming your way soon with new game-changing videos. But until next time, stay wealthy, stay hungry, and tame every debt that dares to cross your path.